Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I want to do, I have a picture in my head. It's a chain pull, but it's done a little bit differently. So we're just going to see how this turns out and if I'm going to have to redo it a few times. So what I want to do is I want to take, it's kind of a brown. It's not the greatest color brown I've ever seen, but it's a brown. So I'm going to put it on as a flat coat, and I'm also going to put pearl in it. So I'll dump that on there. You see the color of that brown? It's a little different. But I want to mix some of my pearl in there. So I'm just going to mix it in. Love this stuff. Best stuff ever. All right. All right, that is just the way I want it. Now we're going to have to pause here because I can't do the next step I want to do until this dries. All right, so the piece is dry enough for me now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some masking tape because I want the edges to be kind of framed. So I want to see the solids out on the edge. So now I'm going to do the chain pull part. So let's hope that I don't mess this up. So I'm going to stick with the pearl color. So right now I'm just going to do, see, I'm shaking, I'm nervous. Just going to do some small pearl color. I actually do have a plan here, so let's see. Kind of what I was looking for. I'm gonna try it again when we're not in the water. I'll make the next one a little bit bigger. That might make it easier. Not bad. Make the next one a bit bigger. I don't like really big. All right, it looks like the paint is dry enough because I don't want to do it too dry. So let's see how this turned out. This music almost makes it suspenseful. I did take off some pieces. I might have to do a couple little touch-ups. All right, so here's the final result. Which way do I like it best? Really, no. I think I like it this way. So there you go. There is doing some masking tape and doing some chain pull in the middle to make some leaves. I hope you like it. Please subscribe and please hit like as well and pass it on. Have a great day, everyone. Subscribe and please hit like as well and pass it on. Have a great day, everyone.